Look at these. Oh my god, these are so cute. Hey you guys, it's the Vintage Gore, aka your retro babe, aka the makeup artist, aka the DIYer. Did I just say DIY? So today I thought we would go through, since it's Friday the 13th, go through and review Kool Kidz Closet. This brand I'm actually a brand ambassador for. So this is the coupon code right here. You can get 15% off if you use this code. However, if you follow them on Instagram, they have a bunch of sales. So if you want more off, you can always save. So after Halloween, their Halloween collection was marked down 50% off. It still is marked down 50% off. And I got a pair of glasses and some lashes. This is what they came in. This is super cute. All her packaging is so cute, and almost every pack comes with a lip gloss. So there's the logo, beautiful, and we're just gonna open it together. So these are the lashes. Oh my god, look at them. Let me open it for real. How do you open these? Oh, it slides. Okay, these are the lashes. Aren't they beautiful? So what else came in this? There's a cute sucker. There's hella candy in here. There's the Hershey's fangs. What else is in here? Her lip glosses. That's so cute. It has a logo on it. See if you guys can see that. And if you could see, there's like little pumpkins and stuff in there. Ooh, Jesus. There's like a whole bunch of more candy and stuff. That's so cute. I already did my makeup. Pretty cute. And yeah, I can't wait to apply the lashes. I don't measure my lashes. I just swipe the glue on there. While those are drying, we're gonna put on our lip gloss. Our lips are pretty bare. Oh my god, it smells like candy corn. How I most times do my lips is I'll take like an eyeshadow palette. This one's the Hyper Color. I'll take probably a purple or pink shadow like that on my finger, and I just place it in the center. Then I just take the gloss and apply it. Look at these. Oh my god, these are so cute. They were so easy to put on. Oh, these are cute. Hold on, let me put on the other ones. These are so cute. So now that the lashes are on, the lip gloss is on, everything looking good, we're gonna review the second thing I got from them. All Kool Kidz Closet sunglasses come with this dust bag with their logo on it. I think that's so cute and professional. These are the Shawty little Batty glasses in green. Originally $16, now they're $8. Let me just... Bitch, hold on, let me get the hair out. Look at them. These are so cute. I'm obsessed. And these did come with the lip gloss. A pink jelly. This gloss does have a red tint to it. And it has a vanilla smell. It did have packaging similar to this. This is from another kit, but I opened it and ate all the candy, so sorry. Okay, now it's time for how I style it. So The theme here is clearly see-through green. I had the see-through green top and bag to go with these glasses. They're really working for me, and the lashes are really working for me. So yeah, full details on my Instagram. Don't forget to use that coupon code if you want to save some money. This is a Black-owned business, so support her. It's a woman-owned business. It's just amazing. She really puts the time and care and effort into this. Really tries to make sure the packaging is nice, sealed, protected, especially with COVID. She's very creative. She caters to the alternative girl. She is the alternative colorful girl, so I just love it. She doesn't only sell lashes and glasses, she sells all types of accessories, so check her out. Show her some love. Buy black. If you guys love my shirt, it's from my clothing line, Pretty Veronica Clothing. And this is actually my logo for my brand, the Vintage Gore. So yeah, and I'll see you guys next time.